Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my video is purely about Windows Server, and in the Windows Server how we can set up a group policy to manage our OneDrive policies. So in this tutorial I will show you how we can add OneDrive to our group policy first, and after that how we can deploy any group policy that is required by our company. So first, let me show you the server. Let's go to group policy and I will show you we don't have any OneDrive related group policy in our server. Now for confirmation, let me show you we don't have any OneDrive option in our group policy. So let's go to policy, administrative templates. You can see we have policies, but we have no OneDrive policy here. Also, let's check the user configuration, and administrative template don't have any OneDrive folder or policy here. So for that, we have to download ADML and ADMX files to our Windows server, and we have to copy these files to this location. I am going to show you in the video. And the second option is, if you can see anywhere OneDrive is installed on any computer, right, you can get those files from going to this location. So I will show you this option first at my computer. Let's paste here this path. Let's go to the top folder which showing us the variant. Go to ADM, and now you can see these two files, ADML and ADMX. This is just for your understanding. We can also download these files from the internet. We have many sites from where we can download these files. So I have downloaded these files in my server. Okay, so let's copy these files to the required location. Let me show you. These are two files I have downloaded, and let's go to the required location. Open a new window. We have to go to C, Windows, Policy Definition, and ENUS for copying ADML file only. Okay, let's paste the location here. Okay, now simply what I have to do, as this folder have all ADML files, let me copy ADML file from here, copy, and let me paste it here. Okay, now the second we have to copy ADMX file, right? And the location for ADMX file will be here. Let's go to server, paste the path here, and now copy and paste the ADMX file. Okay, and paste. Okay, I have copied and pasted both required files. Let's move to group policy if we can see that it appears in group policy or not. Let's create group policy and link it here. So I want OneDrive policy to be applied on all of the users. That's why I'm creating a group policy object here, right? Okay. Mm, Let me rename it OneDrive policy. Okay. Now let's go to policy, go to administrative template. See, you can see here OneDrive in our compute configuration. Let's verify if we can see it our user configuration. See, OneDrive is here as well, right? So we have different policies related to OneDrive. For your explanation, for example, I want I was searching for silently logged in user to OneDrive with Windows credentials. See, this is the policy. So I can configure it without entering a tenant. So for your explanation, let's set up this policy. This policy is silently sign in users to OneDrive Sync app with their Windows credential. For example, any user will log in into computer with an Active Directory account that is synced with Office 365. Their OneDrive will automatically gets logged in into the computer and starts syncing. So by this way, we will not lose any data and OneDrive will not be disconnected anytime. This will be automatic. So for your help and information, I will add these path to my video description so that you can get this information and you can set up OneDrive via group policy. Thank you for watching.